What's up guys, it's Sick Fedora Bro here, and today I am here with a very exciting video actually. Sorry if this intro feels rushed, but I am running slightly late. But today we are picking up another car. Yes, we sold the Vet and we are now picking up another car. I'm not going to exactly spoil what it is quite yet, but we are picking up a drift car because I did say I wanted to get into drifting. This is that car. I either wanted to have a car to build or just buy one that was already ready to drift, and I found one that was cheap enough and I quite like it. I've checked it out before already, and today we are doing the deed of buying it. So with that being said, I gotta head to the homie's house. He's gonna drive back my Z. I trust him to because he's pretty damn good at stick. Now with that being said, let's get the show on the road. I think we gotta stop for gas first though, so I'll see you at the gas station. And now we're on our way to my boys. Made it to my buddy's house. He bought a Supra. Unfortunately, won't be here for long, but it's pretty cool. And now we're on our way to pick up said drift car. What is going on over there? Damn.
That's a big ass accident. Damn. Where the fuck are we? Is that an RX-7? Whose is that?
I don't know, man.
That's fucking sick, dude.
Nice. Guess I'll just park here.
I wonder whose that is. Who that is?
Oh shit. So now I'm gonna do a compression test on this just to make sure everything's all good, and then should be on our way to the notary. But yep, this is the new drift car for the channel. I'll probably do a separate video going over everything, but yep, this is it. It's got harness bar, harnesses, bucket seats. Yep, whole 9 yards. Rotor number 1.
Yeah, it's about 9,500.
They're all equal.
95.
Yeah, 100.
Alright, now we just gotta do the other one. Alright, rotor number 2.
Eight times.
Battery's done.
Yeah, it's about 80. Yeah.
That sounds like battery's done.
cool to head home. Got my homie driving the Z back, which should be cool. I gave him the keys for that yet. And yeah. yeah, we just literally bought a drift car, which is dope as fuck. Wow, so everything's signed over. My homie got some wheels, so I'm checking those home too. And yeah, now we're gonna get some celebratory Taco Bell because that's what we do. And yeah, look at this thing, dude, it's sick. We officially are a owner, a very proud owner at that, of a FCRX7 S5. Woo! On the way to Taco Bell. Guys, it is crazy seeing my other car with someone else driving it. I'm in a different car. Not something I'm used to. Look at that thing go. So just gassed up the RX-7. Taco Bell was fucking phenomenal, as it always is. You know, premix, of course. This car does come with some extra goodies. I will go over when I do a video on this. But yeah, we are chilling on our way out now, going home. And we're back home at my house. I didn't really record a whole lot of that beautiful exhaust. I will probably do that in the video where I talk about this car more, but there she sits, chilling at the side of my house. Sounds fucking great. I really want to drive it to work tonight, but probably not going to. We'll see how I feel, I guess. She's very loud, no sound deadening, so honestly most of what I said, if I was even going to record something, would not have come up on camera. It's so loud. But super cool. I can't wait to start hooning this car a little bit. Came with a couple goodies. Yeah. Shout out to the homie Devin for coming with me and driving back my Z. He's a cool dude. I'll probably link his YouTube channel in my description just because he's a cool guy. And yeah, if you guys liked this video, please like and subscribe. There's definitely be more content of this car. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Look, they're kissing.